In an age where technology seamlessly intertwines with our daily lives, a hidden revolution is quietly reshaping our emotional landscape. Right now, sophisticated algorithms are analyzing the subtle tremors in your voice, the microscopic changes in your breathing patterns, and even the length of pauses between your words. These invisible systems are constructing detailed psychological profiles of millions of people worldwide, using this information to manipulate emotions in real time. The reality of emotional manipulation through technology has moved far beyond theoretical concerns into our everyday experience. Effective computing, a field dedicated to AI systems that can detect and influence human emotions, has witnessed unprecedented growth. The market's expansion from $21 billion in 2021 to a projected $136 billion by 2031 reveals the enormous value placed on understanding and controlling human emotions in the digital age. These systems operate with remarkable precision, analyzing multiple layers of human expression simultaneously. Voice pattern recognition software detects subtle variations in tone and pitch that indicate emotional states. Facial recognition systems track micro-expressions, those fleeting emotional tells that cross our faces in milliseconds. Behavioral data collection monitors our online activities, building comprehensive profiles of our emotional triggers and responses. This technological convergence creates an unprecedented capability to not just understand, but actively influence human emotional states. Recent events have demonstrated the practical implications of this technology. In January 2024, New Hampshire voters experienced a disturbing example of emotional manipulation when they received robocalls featuring AI-generated audio of President Biden. These calls, designed to suppress voter participation, represented a direct attack on democratic processes using emotionally manipulative technology. The incident served as a wake-up call about the potential for artificial intelligence to influence not just individual emotions, but collective democratic action. The commercial application of emotional manipulation technology has already become commonplace in many urban environments. In Brazilian subway systems, AI-powered cameras continuously scan commuters' faces, instantly adjusting digital advertisements based on detected emotional states. This real-time emotional response system represents a fundamental shift in how marketing interacts with human psychology, raising important questions about personal autonomy in public spaces. The implications of these technological developments extend far beyond commercial applications. Educational institutions are exploring ways to use effective computing to optimize learning experiences. Healthcare providers are investigating applications for mental health treatment and patient care. Law enforcement agencies are considering its potential for threat detection and public safety. Each application brings both promising benefits and serious ethical concerns. The competitive landscape surrounding emotional AI technology has created a race for dominance in understanding and influencing human behavior. Major technology companies are investing billions in developing more sophisticated emotional recognition and response systems. This competition drives rapid innovation, but also raises concerns about the concentration of emotional manipulation capabilities in the hands of a few powerful entities. The theoretical framework supporting effective computing suggests that human emotions follow predictable patterns that can be detected and influenced through algorithmic intervention. However, the practical implementation of these systems reveals the complexity of human emotional experiences. The gap between theoretical models and real-world applications creates opportunities for misuse and unintended consequences. As these systems become more sophisticated, they create feedback loops that can amplify emotional responses across entire populations. A single piece of content optimized for emotional impact can trigger cascading reactions that influence public discourse and social behavior. This phenomenon raises important questions about the nature of authentic emotional experience in a technologically mediated world. The harmonious integration of emotional AI into society requires careful consideration of individual rights and collective well-being. While the technology offers potential benefits for understanding and supporting human emotional needs, it also threatens to undermine personal autonomy and authentic emotional expression. The dilemma facing individuals and communities is how to harness the benefits of emotional AI while protecting fundamental human rights and emotional independence. The only effective defense against emotional manipulation through technology is increased awareness and critical thinking. Understanding that our emotional responses may be influenced by artificial intelligence allows us to question and evaluate our reactions more carefully. When consuming media, we must ask ourselves why certain content triggers specific emotional responses, and consider whether these reactions are authentic or engineered. The future of human emotional experience stands at a crossroads. As effective computing technology continues to evolve, society must grapple with fundamental questions about the nature of emotional authenticity and personal agency. The ability to maintain emotional autonomy in an increasingly AI-mediated world may become one of the defining challenges of our time. This reality demands our attention and understanding. The technology that reads and influences our emotions is not a distant future possibility, but a present-day reality, shaping our experiences in ways both subtle and profound. By remaining aware and questioning the emotions we feel while consuming media, we can begin to reclaim control over our emotional experiences and protect our authentic emotional responses in an increasingly engineered emotional landscape.